Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLE 43 Coupe AMG. This one is an obsidian black metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing out 385 horsepower and 384 pounds of torque on AMG sport suspension with Airmatic. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels we've got 21-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels with black accents. Illuminated running boards. Also included is the night package, which is going to give you front, side, and rear black accents. Sailor brown black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Rear heated seats, rear climate controls. Spoiler. AMG GLE 43 badging, power liftgate, set all season and regular floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one has the Premium 3 package with driver's assistance package with active blind spot assist, lane keep assist, speed limit assist, Harman Kardon sound system, a natural gray and brown ash wood trim, memory seats, power windows, AMG illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, also has smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for our media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLE 43 Coupe has 29,775 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 43 Coupe AMG, check out feldmannimports.com.